Hello, dear friend. I'm really happy you're here with me again. Today, we will take another small but important step on your English journey. We're going to practice real English, the kind you use in everyday life. And today's topic is one that everyone in the world can relate to, our daily routines. But don't worry, we'll go step by step. I'll speak slowly, clearly, and you'll repeat with me. Together, we'll train your ears and your voice. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's listen to a simple but real conversation between two friends, Sarah and Liam, talking about their day. Hi, Liam. How are you today?
Hey, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. Just finished work. How about you?
I'm good too. I had a busy day. I woke up at 6:30 this morning.
Wow, that's early. What did you do after that?
Well, I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and made a cup of coffee.
Nice. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had some toast and eggs. I like a light breakfast.
Same here. I usually eat cereal with milk.
After breakfast, I got dressed and left home around 8.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus. It's about 25 minutes.
That's not bad. I ride my bike to work. It's faster and I enjoy it.
That sounds healthy. What do you do at work?
I work at a small office. I check emails, attend meetings, and help customers on the phone.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I like it. I finish work around 5:30, then I go home and relax.
That's nice. After work, I usually cook dinner, watch a little TV, and go to bed around 10:30.
Same here. Routine makes life easier.
Yes, it does. Anyway, I need to go now. Talk later.
Sure. Have a great evening.
Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence, you repeat after me, just like a shadow. Repeat slowly and clearly with confidence. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I drink a cup of coffee. I eat breakfast. I get dressed and go to work. I work from 9 to 5. I come home, eat dinner, and watch TV. I go to bed at 10. Great job. Now let's try it one more time, but a little faster, like a real conversation. Let's try saying the same things with small changes. This will help you sound more natural and flexible. Can you say, I wake up at 7? I drink tea instead of coffee. I take the train, not the bus. I go to sleep at 11. Excellent. You're getting better every minute. Now, let's focus on 3 useful words from the conversation. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up early every day. Do you wake up early? Commute, to travel to work or school. Example, I commute by bus. How do you commute? Relax, to rest and feel calm. Example, I relax by reading a book. What do you do to relax? Now try using these words in short sentences. Say them out loud. Now answer them out loud. Don't be shy. You're doing great. Before we end today's session, let's remember what we did. We talked about daily routines. We listened to a real conversation. We practiced speaking clearly. We learned and used new vocabulary. And most of all, we grew stronger in English. Listen again tomorrow. Speak again tomorrow, even if it's just 10 minutes. It makes a big difference. You're not just learning words. You're building real communication skills. So be proud of yourself. Keep going. Keep smiling. And remember, you can speak English. You are learning. You are amazing. Thanks for being here with me. See you in the next episode. Choosing Road, thank you for joining us.